Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will learn to fix your SIM card not from Verizon Wireless. So here's a guide for your this notification and how can you reset your eSIM carrier lock. Fix 1. Restart your phone. Turn off your phone, wait for 30 seconds, turn it back on and check if the notification disappears. Fix 2. Reinsert the SIM card. Power off the phone, remove the SIM card tray, take out the SIM card and inspect it for damage. Reinsert the SIM card securely, turn the phone back on. Fix 3. Check for software updates. Open Settings, go to Software Update or System Update, install any available updates, and then restart the phone. Fix 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings, go to General Management or System, select Reset Network Settings. Confirm the reset and reconnect to Wi-Fi and test the phone. Fix 5. Verify SIM compatibility. Make sure the SIM card is active and compatible with the phone. If you recently switched carriers, the phone may need to be unlocked. Fix 6. Try another SIM card. Insert a different working SIM card. If the message disappears, your original SIM may be faulty. Fix 7. Contact your Verizon. If you are using a Verizon SIM and still seeing the same message, you can contact your Verizon support. They can verify SIM activation and check for account issues. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.